Agriculture, human civilization's lifeblood, cradles well-being. Nowadays, technology propels it into a new era, where precision meets efficiency. The fields, once sown with tradition, now yield the innovation's fruit, marking a new chapter in agricultural history. Unmanned technology, deeply engaged in precision agriculture, integrates GNSS, IoT, big data, AI, 5G, collaborating with partners. We are actively establishing modern farms, depicting a blueprint for agriculture which is beyond imagination. We upgrade traditional agricultural machineries with GNSS auto steer system, featured with high-precision navigation, path planning, and remote operation. Unmanned operation is enabled in all weather conditions, all terrains, throughout the entire process. We integrate satellite remote sensing, drone monitoring, and IoT sensing devices to establish an integrated perception and monitoring system encompassing space, sky, and land. We achieve real-time oversight across all aspects, including smart irrigation, precise spraying and fertilizing, pest monitoring, weather forecast and early warning, smart storage and processing. Our system ensures full traceability of the crops. It fully combined with our technological advantages using digital methods to build a brain of smart farm. It achieves the visualization of production, monitoring, dynamic analysis, early warning, decision-making supporting, facilitating responsive dispatch from the fields to the cloud. We support and strengthen agriculture with technology. From manual to autonomous, we liberate rural productivity. From one pilot project to widespread implementation, we offer technological support to build unmanned farms, transforming unmanned farms, unmanned orchards, unmanned greenhouses, unmanned pastures, and unmanned fisheries into a new agricultural landscape. Unmanned paves a modern agricultural way with technology, crafting a bountiful and a prosperous agricultural future.